Dreambaby 10-piece essential grooming kit. Aqua by Dreambaby is one of the best sellers among baby grooming and healthcare kits products. Dreambaby hairbrush, soft and gentle on the scalp and with an easy grip toddler-sized handle, a great first step to personal grooming. Dreambaby comb and non-scratch, rounded teeth will help detangle hair without tears. Dreambaby toothbrush, the compact head and soft bristles ensure great oral hygiene for developing teeth. The easy grip handle encourages your toddler to learn correct brushing techniques with ease. Dreambaby nail clippers, sized and curved for safer trimming of little finger and toenails. Dreambaby emery boards. Dreambaby emery boards are great to gently file away any sharp or jagged edges on little nails. Dreambaby scissors with comfortable handles. The scissors have a rounded tip for added safety. Dreambaby storage case. The sturdy plastic storage case ensures all baby's grooming essentials are neatly organized and hygienically stored, great for home or when traveling. Dreambaby essential grooming kit is packed with the necessary items to help keep your baby well groomed and healthy. Packed in a convenient storage case, it is easy to keep organized and great for travel. It includes a hairbrush, comb, toothbrush, nail clippers, scissors, emery boards, and a storage case.